Hi, I'm Angelo, and as part of the Techtron technical team, we provide effective and efficient solutions for small to medium-sized enterprises within South Africa. This video is all about showing you how to clear up hard drive space without deleting any data. And here's how you can do it too.
So the first thing we'll need to do is head over to the taskbar and select the OneDrive icon. Then we'll navigate to the Help and Settings gear and select Settings. Then we'll navigate to Advanced Settings and select Free Up Disk Space. To confirm the changes, we'll click Continue. Microsoft will then move all files synced with OneDrive, which would normally be the desktop documents and pictures directories, directly to the cloud, freeing up space and increasing the machine's functionality. Hey guys, thanks for viewing. So if you're looking for some awesome free technical tools, check out our resources or join our mailing list to receive technical news, tips and updates. See you next time.